Introducing the CuZn UC-200 under-counter water filter, a game-changer in-home water purification. With its remarkable capacity, straightforward installation, and advanced filtration technology, this water filter promises to elevate the quality of your municipal water supply. In this review, we'll delve into the key features and specifications that make this water filter a standout choice for those seeking clean, safe, and long-lasting filtered water. Join us on this exploration of a water filter designed to provide peace of mind and high-quality hydration for years to come. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Incredible capacity and longevity. This water filter boasts an impressive filter lifespan of up to 5 years per filter. This exceptional longevity is backed by CuZn's comprehensive 5-year prorated performance warranty, providing peace of mind for its users. This filter is designed specifically for municipal water and should not be used with private well water. Additionally, while it purifies water effectively, it does not soften water or resolve issues caused by excessively hard water, such as limescale mineral deposits on tea kettles. Number 2. Easy installation. Installing this water filter is a breeze. It is designed for direct connection to the main kitchen sink cold water line, eliminating the need for drilling through the countertop to mount an extra filter dispenser faucet. Number 3. Advanced 3-stage filtration. This water filter employs a sophisticated 3-stage filtration process that includes microsediment membranes, KDF55, and coconut shell carbon. While it effectively removes impurities and contaminants, it is important to note that this water filter will not reduce total dissolved solids, TDS, or parts per million, ppm, type meter readings. If you require TDS or ppm reduction, a reverse osmosis type filter system is necessary. This water filter is designed to purify water without reducing the health beneficial mineral content, resulting in consistent TDS or ppm meter readings for both filtered and unfiltered water. Number 4. Bacteriostatic Design. Unlike carbon-only filters, this water filter is bacteriostatic, making it resistant to mold or bacteria growth. To ensure that the filter is still working effectively, you can use chlorine test strips to detect chlorine in the filtered water. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 4.5 inches length by 4.5 inches width by 16 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 4 reasons to buy. Exceptional 5-year filter lifespan. Comprehensive 5-year prorated performance warranty. Simple and hassle-free installation. Effective 3-stage filtration process. 1 reason not to buy. Does not soften excessively hard water or resolve related issues. Conclusion. The CuZn UC-200 under-counter water filter offers exceptional capacity, longevity, and ease of installation. Its advanced 3-stage filtration process and bacteriostatic design provide reliable water purification without sacrificing health beneficial minerals. CuZn's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident through its comprehensive warranty and technical support. If you're seeking a long-lasting, high-quality water filter for your municipal water supply, this water filter is a solid choice. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.